Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put up a brick wall. First, gather your essential tools, including a sturdy trowel, a reliable spirit level, and a long string line. Next, ensure your foundation is perfectly level and strong enough to support the wall's weight. Finally, mix your mortar carefully, aiming for a consistent, workable texture that will bind your bricks securely. This preparation is crucial for a successful and lasting brick wall. Now, let's lay the crucial first course. Begin by spreading a generous, even bed of mortar along your prepared foundation. Carefully place your first brick onto the mortar, gently tapping it down with your trowel handle until it's perfectly level. Use your spirit level to check both the horizontal and vertical alignment of this initial brick. This first course sets the standard for the entire wall, so take your time and be precise. As you build up your wall, apply mortar to the top of the previous course and to one end of the new brick you are about to lay. Carefully place each brick, ensuring a consistent joint thickness of about 10 millimeters. This uniform joint size is vital for both strength and appearance. Continuously check the wall's plumb or vertical straightness and its level using your spirit level. Consistency is key here. Once your wall reaches the desired height, it's time for the finishing touches. Tool the mortar joints to create a neat, concave, or weather-struck finish, which helps shed water. Promptly remove any excess mortar from the brick faces before it sets hard, as this can be difficult to clean later. Finally, protect your newly built wall from rapid drying for at least 3 days to ensure proper curing and maximum strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.